Hello guys, myself I am Aryanesh Kumar. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and today's my topic is theory of computation in context-free grammars and pushdown automata. This presentation divides into the fundamental concepts of context-free grammar (CFGS) and pushdown automata (PDAS), exploring their definitions, properties, and applications in computer science. Introduction to context-free grammars. Defining CFGS, context-free grammars are a powerful tool for describing the syntax of programming languages and their formal languages. They define a set of rules that specify how to generate strings of symbols, forming valid sentences in this language. Understanding CFGS. CFGS utilizes a set of production rules, each consisting of a non-terminal symbol on the left-hand side and a sequence of terminals and non-terminals on the right-hand side. The rules specify how non-terminals can be replaced to derive strings. Formal definition and examples. Formal definition. A CFG is formally defined as a four-tuple NTSP, where N is a set of non-terminals, T is a set of terminals, is a starting symbol, and P is a set of production rules. Simple example. Consider the grammar S is great S to ASP bar E. This grammar generates strings of the form A raised to N B raised to N, where N is any non-negative integer. Real world example. CFGs are used extensively in programming languages. For example, the syntax of a language like Java is defined by a CFG, which specifies the valid structure of programs and statements. Next we coming moving on derivation trees and parsing. Derivation trees. Derivation trees visually represent the process of deriving a string from a CFG. The root of the tree is the starting symbol, and each node represents a non terminal. Parsing. Parsing is the process of analyzing a string to determine whether it is a valid sentence according to a given CFG. Parsers are algorithms to construct a derivation tree for the string. Importance of parsing. Parsing is essential in compiler design and natural language processing. It allows computers to understand the structure of programs and sentences, enabling them to interpret and execute instructions. Next, we moving on to equivalence between CFGS and PDS. Pushdown automata. PDS are finite state machines with an additional stack memory. They can accept context free languages, a class of languages that can be generated by CFGs. Equivalence. The Chomsky-Schwarzenberger theorem states that for every context free language, there exists a PDA that accepts it and vice versa. This demonstrates a deep connection between these formalisms. Applications of PDAs. PDAs have practical applications in compiler design, natural language processing, and other areas where recognizing and processing context free languages is crucial. Next, we moving on to properties of context free languages. Closure properties. Context free languages are closed under operations such as union, concatenation, and clean closure. They are not closed under intersection and complementation. Next point is decision problems. Determining whether a string belongs to a CFL is decidable. However, other decision problems such as emptiness and equivalence of CFLs are undecidable. Pumping lemma. The pumping lemma for context free languages is a powerful tool for proving that a language is not context free. It states that all sufficiently long strings in a CFL can be pumped in a specific way. Next, we moving on to applications of context free grammars. The first point is programming languages. In programming languages, CFGs are fundamental to compiler design, defining the syntax of programming languages and enabling compilers to parse and translate source code into machine instructions. Natural language processing CFGs are used to model the grammar of natural languages, allowing computers to understand and generate human language, enabling applications like machine translation and speech recognition. Markup languages. Markup languages like HTML and XML are defined using CFGs, specifying the value structure and the content of documents. Parsers verify the validity of documents and enable their interpretation by web browsers. Next, we move on to conclusion and future directions. Context free grammars and pushdowns automata are powerful tools for modeling and analyzing formal languages. Understanding these concepts is essential for anyone involved in computer design, natural language processing, or other areas where computer science intersects with linguistic and formal systems. That's it. Thank you.